Which socialist countries have implemented restorative justice? Have you ever wondered how different countries approach justice? Today, we will look at socialist countries that have embraced restorative justice. This method focuses on repairing harm caused by crime through dialogue and cooperation among all parties involved. It emphasizes the empowerment of victims and community involvement instead of just punishment. Cuba is one of the notable examples. In 2015, Cuba started a pilot project to introduce restorative justice into its legal system. This initiative aimed to provide alternatives to traditional punitive justice. The goal was to address social issues and encourage community participation in resolving conflicts. The program received support from external mediation services, showing Cuba's commitment to integrating restorative justice as it navigates social transitions. Next, we have Albania. After the fall of communism, Albania faced social chaos and began developing restorative justice programs. These programs focused on communication and cooperation to mend the harm caused by crime. This approach reflects the principles of restorative justice. Albania's experience illustrates how countries transitioning from socialism can adopt restorative justice to rebuild social cohesion and improve their justice systems. China also plays a significant role in this discussion. Governed by the Communist Party, China has incorporated restorative justice concepts through practices known as criminal reconciliation. Since 2002, many provinces have implemented these practices, which were formalized in the 2012 Criminal Procedure Law. Criminal reconciliation allows offenders and victims to reach mutual agreements involving remorse and compensation. This approach embeds restorative principles within the state judicial framework. While Indonesia is not a socialist country, it has adopted restorative justice practices that align with socialist ideas of community and social harmony. Programs like diversion and mediation reflected global trends in restorative justice. These examples show how restorative justice can adapt to various political and social contexts. From a socialist viewpoint, restorative justice aligns with values such as social justice and community solidarity. It shifts the focus from punishment to healing and social restoration. Countries implementing restorative justice often aim to strengthen social bonds and empower marginalized groups. This approach creates more equitable justice systems that prioritize collective well-being. In summary, Cuba and China actively integrate restorative justice into their legal frameworks. Meanwhile, Albania has adopted restorative approaches during its transition to stabilize society. These implementations highlight how restorative justice can complement socialist ideals by promoting cooperation and social healing.